guys, good evening. For today's video, magluto tayo ng this is fresh danggit. Ayan. I-cook po natin siya na paksiw. Wait lang ha. Ilagay natin ang ating mga lamas. This is called eggplant. Ayan. This is the best for paksiw. Danggit. This is called danggit. Then, this is the ginger. And this is also the onion. Ganyan po magluto, guys. And I put the chili. Wait for a while. So guys, ilalagay na natin ang kanyang mga ingredients. Don't forget to put the black pepper. Ayan. Mikos-mikos lang. Mikos-mikos. Kunting asin. Ayan. Ganyan lang po guys. Asin. After the asin, you put the soy sauce. Kunti lang. Pakula mo lang. And then, the vinegar. Masyadong kasi baka maasim. Kunti lang. Then, you put the magic syrup. Ganyan po yan guys. Mikos-mikos lang guys. Mikos-mikos lang tayo. Then, put the MSG. Yan po ang nagpapasarap talaga. Then, don't forget the sugar guys. No takal-takal yan guys. Basta put sugar. Yan. Yan po ang nagpapasarap sa isang sugar. Then, simply don't forget to put the water. Put the water. Ayan. Yan po ang ating mikos-mikos lang tayo guys. Mikos-mikos. Ayan. Put the water. Siyempre, iluluto na natin yan. That's the best. Okay. Kunting sabaw lang. Okay. I don't know kung masarap. Basta, magtiwala lang kayo na masarap. Kasi that's the one of the secret ang magpapasarap niyan. Siyempre, if you are a good chef on the kitchen, siyempre, where is the salang na po natin yan guys. So, takpan. O, diba? The best. So, guys, tingnan muna natin. Ulok. Not kulo-kulo pa. So, maybe steam with 15 minutes. So, guys, let me check. Dwelling na po. Okay, may I see? Oh, wow. Yummy, fresh danggit. Panaluto ang ating talong. Kanis. Talong. O, diba? It's yummy. Yummy fresh danggit. This is called paksiw, guys. The ingredient is soy sauce. Then they have a sugar. Then they have a vinegar, onions, black pepper, and salt, bechin, and magic syrup, eggplant. Oh, yummy. That's a yummy. You heard? Oh, welling. Oh my God, it is so yummy. Maybe later, I will eat. Let's eat. Ayan. This is it. Ayan. Ooh, yummy. Yummy, danggit. Maybe later, because the eggplant is not yet ready to cook. So, this is the viands for tonight for my dinner meal. I like to eat fresh danggit. Okay. I see only again. Oh, wow. Yummy, yummy. Babash.